Welcome back here in this new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to use the data validation tool in Microsoft Excel. Data validation is one of the very important tools which is used for controlling the data or values to be entered in a cell or range. Here in this example, I am going to set up 6 types of rule for entering data. There are many more we can do with it. After understanding these 6 examples, you will have clear understanding on what exactly data validation is. In the column A, I will apply a rule where only the unique values can be entered. If duplicate entered, Excel will reject the entry along with an error message pop up. Similarly, in column B, I will set up a rule to enter the age value between 18 to 60 only. I will validate column C for 10-digit mobile number. Column D for only entering the text values. In F5 cell, I will create a drop-down list to select months. And, in the G5 cell, I will make a drop-down for yes or no selection. Let's start applying rules. First of all, let's apply rule in column B for age between 18 to 60. Select column B by clicking on it. If you want to apply validation in specific range, for example from B5 to B14 only, you can select that range only. After you select column B, click on Data tab. Click on Data Validation. This opens Data Validation dialog box. Click on Setting tab, then click on the drop-down menu. Select Whole Number option. In the data, select Between. In the minimum and maximum number, put 18 and 60. Now, click on Error Alert tab. Here you will set up the error message to pop up when invalid data is entered. In the error style, you have 3 options: Stop, Warning, and Information. Use Stop option to make the rule very strict. It will strictly reject the wrong entry there. If you select Warning, it will warn that the wrong data has been entered. But it gives you option to accept the wrong entry too. If you choose Information option, it will only give it information, but not the restriction. Here in his case I am selecting Stop option. In the error message, write the message to pop up. This can be anything. Let's write here, please enter age between 18 to 60 only. In the title you can put value error, or anything you want. Now click on OK. The rule has been applied. Now, if you enter the value 50 here, accepted. If you enter value out of range, for example 65, it is rejected along with this message pop up. Click on Retry button and correct the value. Then press Enter. Let's go to column C to validate the column for 10-digit mobile number. Select column C. Then click on Data tab, then Data Validation. In Setting tab, choose Text Length option from the drop-down list. Choose Equal to option. In Length, type 10. In the Input Message tab, you can set up a message that will be displayed when user clicks in the cell. Let's write here a message. In title write Entry Rule. In the message, write, please enter 10-digit mobile number. Click on Error Alert tab. Choose the style. Write the title and error message. Then click on OK. Now the rule is applied. When I click on the cell, I will get this input message here. Let me enter here wrong digits. Value is rejected. Let's correct it. Value is accepted. Let's go to column D. Select it. Click on Data Validation. Set up the rule now. For text values only, we have to write a custom formula. So, in this drop-down, choose Custom option. In the formula bar, write this formula. Equals isText. D1. Equals true. Now set up the error alert. Click on OK. Rule is applied. If you enter text value, it will accept. Otherwise, reject. Now in the column A, to set up rule for unique values only, select column A. Go to Data Validation. Click on Custom option. In the formula, write this formula. Equals COUNTIF, bracket open, A, colon, A, comma, A1, bracket close, is less than 2. In the error alert, set up the error messages. Then click on OK. Now in this column, you can only enter unique values. If I enter duplicate, I will get an error message. Now to create a drop-down list to select months. First of all, here make a list of months. Write January in the first cell. Use the fill handle to drag it till December. Now, click on F5 cell. Click on Data Validation. In the drop-down list, choose the List option. Click in the source box. Then, select the month list you created here. You can skip the error alert here. However, if you want to set up, you can do. But it is optional in all validation type. Then click on OK. Now, do the same for yes and no drop-down. In the source, you can type yes, no manually. Then click on OK. Now, by using these drop-downs, you can select the values to be entered in the cell. So, this is all about how to use the data validation tool in Excel. If you want to practice this, download the workbook file from video description below. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe this channel. If this topic was useful, give a thumbs up in this video. Bye for now. See you in next video tutorial.